We are here to record what is happening.
People to move down to the federal secretary. Stop recording.
No, don't stop recording.
We are
journalists.
Maybe
that one. It's our work. It's our work.
Take it easy. I believe from my brief
you were talking. We are not looking at you. We are not getting what is happening. Camera self now waiting for our work. If the action now say what you want to come out, what you will talk. Where evidence is the issue.
we are together.
going contrary to what the police authority has stipulated for you. No, don't address here. Don't do that here. It's not the place.
To address the press.
Anything you want to do, there's a center for that.
You wrote to the Naija police the commissioner of police are aware about the you cannot change this information. Change information today, pass it through you, and not pass it directly to us.
Where you need to go and I told you.
Okay, this is an offense to address one person. Can we consider that to bottle us? They can bottle us.
I told you.
We are here as an organization affiliated with other people. We are here as Rivers people to march and express our grievances. We are not here to cause any harm. And this is the security men have been here dispersing our people that have been coming. We are here, we are waiting for some of our members to come and we will march on the street peacefully and air our grievances to the government. We are not here for violence.
What are your grievances?
Our grievances is, number one thing is the repeal of the Cybercrime Act, and as Rivers people, we are here to speak against the unconstitutional removal of our elected governor and the Rivers State House of Assembly. We are here to demand a government for the people of Rivers State, because as it stands now, we are without government. This government in Rivers State is alien to our people. It's unconstitutional, and so we are here to demand that our governor comes back to office and lead us appropriately. We have a social contract with the governor. We don't have any contract with the sole administration. This is democracy. You understand? So we are here to march, and nobody can tell us where to gather. We are Rivers people. We own this place.